friends. In today's video I'll talk about how you can transfer your funds from funding wallet to spot wallet for trading. So let's get started. First you should have to click on the wallet. Here in the right corner, bottom corner, you go to your fundings. Here in fundings, the coin which you want to transfer to spot wallet, you select that coin. Let's say I want to transfer this BTTC to spot wallet, sum up this BTTC amount to spot wallet. So I'll click on the transfer. Here from here I'll select this. From I am transferring from funding to spot wallet. Here from funding to spot wallet I am transferring it. Now I'll choose the coin. Here from I want to transfer some of the BTTC. Sorry, I'll transfer some of the BTTC. I click on the transfer here and I'll click on this BTTC. I want to transfer amount of 1000. Let's say here I want to transfer this much amount of BTTC to this spot wallet. I am clicking on the confirm and it shows the transfer successful. Now I am checking in the fundings my BTTC. It was first 85,921. Now it is 84,921. Let's check the spot wallet. I am clicking on the spot and here I want to check this BTTC. So this is the BTTC amount is 1000. It's showing over here. It is transferred to the spot wallet. This is how you can transfer funds from funding wallet to spot wallet. Thank you.